Hello guys, welcome back. Welcome to my channel. Nihon kara konnichiwa. Herzlich willkommen. So guys, yeah, update on Novavax. The ticker is Nvax. We had here already a 300% short squeeze and the stock is still in a squeeze, guys, here. So I give you now the updated price levels. Pardon me if trading view reacts a little bit slow. I'm doing a lot of uploads here in the background and also uploading a brand new hot stock video here, guys. So yeah, be patient with me here and I give you now the updated price levels. Yeah, guys, everything what I say here is of course not a financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. Yeah, for all the new followers here and members on my channel, guys, welcome. Thank you for joining in. The main purpose here of my channel is to educate people in trading by doing that, or I do that by showing short squeeze stocks, and in best case, I try to predict short squeezes. So Novavax here. If you didn't see my previous videos here on the channel, I talking about this ticker here since a few weeks or even months and said that I expect here a short squeeze. You can see I never tried to make some clickbait thumbnails here, guys. When I talk about here a short squeeze, then I really think that we see a short squeeze here. You can see all these videos here where I already said that we are in breakout zones, that we now should see a reaction, blah, blah, blah. Just check that out, guys. And for me, that was quite predictable. Yes, and now we have here our short squeeze for Novavax since we squeezed from $3.50 now to $13 and it's still ongoing. Yeah, why was that so predictable? Why has that been predictable? Because Novavax did the same already here 4 years ago in 2020. We had here a short squeeze also from $3.50 all the way back up here, guys, to $330. Bill Gates is or was invested here in this company. I have no actual information if he still is invested here, but that was also some vaccine ticker here, and that what got just pumped. We gapped up here many times, and now we came over the years all the way back down to the initial price level where the squeeze was triggered. That's why that was very predictable here. So now we zoom in the actual situation. You don't want to hear me talking about the past. You want to see the actual situation. So I draw this trend channel pattern here. We had the Fibonacci retracement. I said that I personally expect a squeeze trigger at $3.91. And that was exactly, you can see that here on the dot, where the price found its support before we had our massive short squeeze here. Yeah, be careful, guys. You can see we have here some pump and dump in the market. So this is already here a squeeze of 290% from the all-time low also, or the low which has been retested here, even 300%, more than 300%. But when I see the structure of this kind of squeeze which we have for Novavax, then we have here a lot of price levels to the upside. Honestly, as I said, this is not a financial advice. I never recommend here to FOMO in this kind of pump stocks here. But Novavax is a little bit different. We have here a quite good market capital now. After the squeeze, it's $1.8 billion. So they still have some cash. They can survive. They partnered up here with a company, blah, blah, blah. But this is just, the chart was telling that already. The stock is more than 30% short, was even more than 40% short. That's why I put this here on my radar. And I knew there has to be some squeeze happening since they create here a lot of synthetic shares. The up price levels here, guys, you can see all these green lines here. These are gaps which we have here to the upside. So $16.67, $21.47 and $25.80 are the next price levels for the next days or weeks. So that would mean we have here a squeeze potential in total of, again, 100%. And then it gets interesting, guys, because this green line here is something like a make it or break it price level which could trigger the next short squeeze or could be our resistance before we see here some days or even weeks of down momentum here, that we're building something like a bull flag, we retrace before we see the next squeeze. That's why Novavax, the squeeze took here almost, I think, 6 months from the low to the top, or even 1 year. So the initial trigger, I want to show you that in the chart, guys, was this volume candle here. So that, or even this volume candle here, was the beginning. And when we see here, you can see that here in the corner, guys, this volume here was so that 35 million volume we had here in 1 day. And when you see what is happening right now, you can see here also this big fat candle, 100 million volume in just not even in 1 day, guys, because I have here the 4 hours chart. So this is the beginning of something, there is no doubt. The question is if the short sellers step in and control the price, because if we squeeze over this price level here, if we can close here with a full candle body, daily candle body over $24.81, and hold this here, this price level, guys, then in my opinion, yeah, the next price goal is $65. So we have plenty of room to go. As I said, it was the same structure here. We had this U pattern here, and especially here, yeah, something like a creepy cup and handle here, you can say. See that I don't work with trading patterns that much, but we had this U pattern here, and especially when we had confirmation here on this price level, guys, then as I said, the next price level was $65. And from $65, it just skyrocketed here in the $200 range. So yeah, this is a very volatile stock. You have to decide by yourself if you want to FOMO in here. I just made a new upload, guys. The video is available right now. We have now the new hot stocks for the next week, and you see that the market is completely going crazy. We have here 500% squeezes to even 10,000% with far in the future. I just made a new hot stock video for next week with tickers with high squeeze potential. I predicted, sorry, I predicted here already more than 13 squeezes or even 14 squeezes in 8 weeks, which has squeezed more than 100%. The last ticker which I had was this one here, guys, 348% in just 2 trading days. Yeah, and these tickers here have very high potential to squeeze next week, guys. Yeah, it's not a financial advice. I cannot see the future. I cannot predict nothing, but it was the same here with Novavax, yeah, where I already saw the chart pattern, and it was quite sure that we see a breakout here. Nothing is guaranteed, but the potential is quite high, guys. Yeah. If you want to see these hot stocks, guys, you can check out here my memberships. I have the Elite Circle membership on YouTube. This membership has access to the hot stock videos and also other member videos like AMC, GameStop, Golden Heaven Group. I have a lot of member content here as well. Or you can also join the Patreon Ultimate Black Belt membership here. This is a little bit more powerful because you also have access to the hot stocks, but also can see my trading alerts, which means I post there screenshots for swing trades or also small short squeeze plays with the entry price level, stop loss, exit zones, and so on. So this is very helpful and convenient for people who don't have time to watch all my videos and just want to see a quick opportunity, maybe for for a nice swing trade, guys. If you want to join the memberships, guys, the links are in the video description here. So then let's check what we have. So let's talk about the bear scenario. What is the bear scenario, guys? That we drop here below these EMA lines which are supporting the price. For me personally, the last point of support is between $9.66 and $8.10. If the market makers should drop the price in the pre-market or aftermarket below $8.13, guys, that would be not very bullish, because then I think this will be our rejection again. The resistance is $8.10 in my opinion, so that could mean we see here a correction incoming, and even $4.55 is a possible price level, because there is an open gap in the chart waiting, which has to get closed sooner or later, guys. I will disable now here the indicators. If you want to copy the price levels here, guys, everything what you see here is made by TradingView. So I will zoom out a little bit for you. I hope you can see all these price levels here, so you can just copy them, guys. There is also a discount link in the video description for TradingView. If you click this link, you get a $15 discount. Almost every of my members using that already. TradingView is the way to go. This is what I use here for all my videos, guys. I'm not sponsored by TradingView, really. This is just because when you want to understand how I identify these short squeezes, there is no way around that. You have a good trading tool, and if you just want to copy what I'm doing here, then TradingView is the way to go. When you use this link, you save $15, and I always recommend, guys, the plus tier. The plus tier is good for beginners and advanced traders. Guys, that was my update on Novavax. If you playing this ticker here, I wish you great success. Of course, I hope that we squeeze here over $24, because then this thing start to skyrocket. The potential is there. The market situation is there. We are still here in a very bullish uptrend. The S&P 500 just made a new all-time high. So that could be the beginning of a very huge bull run here also for Novavax. Guys, I wish you a nice Sunday. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next one. Arigatou gozaimasu. Vielen Dank. Bis zum nächsten Video. Take care. Alles Gute. Bye bye.